Alright guys, in this video I'm going to try to achieve this messy bun hairstyle, which I absolutely love, but I have never ever tried. So I'm going to try to do this technique based on my research and based on the tutorials I saw. I usually don't do much with my hair, but I would like to, and I saw lots of tutorials, but then at the end the bun didn't look that good and there was a cut, and then suddenly there was whole new bun looking amazing. I found even some comments, you just cut the video and then the bun looked so pretty. I wish I would see the process, so that's why I'm gonna try to do it. I also have very thick and straight hair. I have lots of hair. My hair is, I would say, medium long. I hope you can see it. So yeah, I would say what I wanna do first is to get some texture in the hair. So I'm gonna curl the hair, but I'm just gonna do it quickly. I'm just gonna try to, you know, get there some texture, so I feel like it doesn't matter if we don't have it curled perfectly for this messy bun, because we will gonna put the hair anyway up and, you know, play with that. So that's what we are doing right now. Also guys, if you are new here and you like content like this, I will very appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, comment below how did you like the tutorial, like the video, or share it with your friends and family, and have fun watching. My hair is actually freshly washed. I just washed it with a shampoo and conditioner, and then I just dry it with a hair dryer. Now I'm gonna just brush it through, and I'm gonna skip the process, and I will meet you when I'm done. So I'm gonna use some rubber bands. So for my ponytail I need to use very thick one so it holds in the place, and then I have here also some bobby pins to, you know, secure all the hair around with it. What we are gonna do is we are gonna leave some hair in the front. Sorry about that. So we are gonna leave some hair in the front, which is gonna frame our face nicely, and all the hair we are just gonna put into a very high ponytail. So I feel like that's good. We are gonna secure the ponytail right here. This should be very fast, I feel like. And then she was pulling like lots of hair and she was losing it up like a lot. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like she was pulling like a lots of small hairs like this out. And then, I'm not sure if I can talk right now, but then she put like the whole hair around like this, and she made it in shape like something like this mushroom there, like something like this, and then just another hairband there, maybe like this. Look, I feel like I don't see much, but it doesn't look that bad, I feel like. Something like this. I hope you can see something, guys, but I cannot see much more as you do. Now we are just gonna try to, you know, put this hair inside of, yeah, the hairband. Maybe we can try to do it like that. Like this. And then this one here, maybe I have here so much hair, maybe I can, you know, separate it to the two sections. Like, you're supposed to like twist it a little bit. And yeah, like put it all over. And we can even use again the hairband there, I feel like. If not, we can secure it with the bobby pins. But so far so good. We have here one more piece. I feel like I'm gonna like put it like this. You guys, I really honestly feel like I don't have to do much with it anymore. I really like it how it tastes right now. Like you can maybe, you know, pull out maybe a little bit some hair here. I actually like that somewhere it's like the hair falling. I feel like it's also pretty secure. I would just do something a little bit more with this front part because I feel like that's too... You can maybe brush it a little bit more so it's not so strong. Yeah, see, this is... I feel like this is better and it's loosened up a little bit. I don't know, would you do something differently? Most challenging part for me was actually to curl the hair. And then it's so easy when you curl your hair and you get the texture into the hair. It's actually easy to create something like this. I am blown away. I actually feel like I'm gonna secure with the bobby pins a little bit on the hair here, so we have there, you know, we have here something just like this. And this is too much. This is too strong. I don't like that. And I also actually like when you like clip it here. It does also like this nice, you know, falling down hair. So you can just secure it with the bobby pins like that. And I feel like that looks cute. What do you think, guys? And I will do that also with the other side. So just grab, you know, almost all the hair. I'm gonna just leave there, you know, something like this. This I feel like is cute. And I'm secure it again somewhere under the hair. I feel like that looks better. We don't have here in the front, you know, that much hair like before. We can even pull maybe like some hair here, not so much. I would secure it a little bit with some hairspray. Here, here, here. You know, also here in the back. A little bit, so it's not flying all around. You know what I'm actually thinking? The girl on the video, she had even like more volume in the front here, so we can try to do that. I feel like it's really like preference, what you prefer, but I feel like it might look even better if we pull the hair in front here. Because I feel like, yeah, I mean, oh. Yes, a little bit brush it with your fingers like that. Alright guys, I feel like that's about it for this video. As you can see, I absolutely love my look, even it might not be perfect For the first time, I feel like this is so pretty. It was actually easy. The most annoying part for me is to curl your whole head because I have also lots of hair, and my hair curl, in my opinion, is too small for my long hair. So maybe if I'm gonna do this more often, you know, I could buy another one. Let me definitely know in the comment section below how did you like my results, and I would be very interested if you tried it. What was your experience? What was your result? Did you like it? Does it look good? Is it annoying? You don't want to do that anymore? Did you do it for your first time, or are you actually doing this hairstyle maybe every day? Drop your comment below. Also guys, if you like type of those videos, hit the subscribe button, because if I see you subscribe, there might be more videos like this. You can definitely comment which hairstyle would you like to see next, what should I try, and you know, share it with your family and friends, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.